Yeah, g'day guys, James Fawcett here, and I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I just want to say a massive welcome for checking out this YouTube video here on where we're talking about mastering your own affiliate process, taking full control of it. So, you're not going to lose leads and you're not going to lose sales by, giving away leads too freely to other affiliate programs or anything like that. Some of the biggest successes that I've had over the past 3 to 4 years is literally either sending it to affiliate products where they don't ask for leads up front, because now I no longer promote those type of products. And two, I always need to be financially rewarded when I'm giving away a subscriber. All right. And yes, that's what affiliate marketing is all about. Essentially, you're basically sending people to an offer and you're giving up subscribers. And especially if you're in the world of email marketing, list building, and you start sending out offers to email lists where they automatically ask for the opt-in before they even get to the checkout page. What's going to happen is that these leads are going to start going through a vicious cycle. All right, and the product owner is going to start promoting their own stuff, their own affiliate offers to those leads, and then what happens is that your leads start to get they start to get overwhelmed with all these different emails, and all these different offers coming from various different people. And then you just get left out and, basically it just gets completely saturated and they no longer see your promotional emails. So I'm just going to quickly let's go through the screen. And this has probably happened to me around about, 4 years ago, where I really just started to, maybe 5 years ago, where I figured out the process on why I wasn't making money. All right. What I was doing is I was going through those done for you systems where, they give you an affiliate link from their system that's inbuilt and you send traffic to those systems, right? And yes, they give you the ability to capture leads, but they're also going to start promoting offers from their own list at the same time. And I've seen this happen all the time, right? There's all these, MLMs and all that sort of stuff. And then sooner or later, these offers and programs just die and they keep the lead base, and all of a sudden now you're out of a page builder, you're out of an autoresponder, and you don't ever fundamentally control your own process. All right. And when I started figuring this out, because I went through like 3 or 4 of these systems and, rarely made money with them, because as soon as those leads come into the system, and, I will show you just here really quickly. As soon as they come into the system here, they literally, essentially they get lost forever, right? That subscriber is now concentrated on that offer particularly, especially if they bought it. And you are now a forgotten thought. And that is why, a lot of people, when you give away leads too freely, if you're a forgotten thought, that means that they're going to get a whole bunch of emails from other people. They're going to get overwhelmed and, they'll no longer buy from you, essentially, period. All right. So what we're going to do here today is that I'm just going to go through the key factors on how I became successful and when I had that aha moment in terms of, and this is what I want for everyone too watching this video. I want you to have the ability to control your own process and not rely on other people's systems for your own success. Ultimately, if you're looking to have success in affiliate marketing, you need to control the narrative in your own business so you can promote whatever you want, you can promote however you want, and being able to, really allow you that sense of freedom so you can just, move freely between, affiliate program to affiliate program. So, what I mean is by controlling your own process is basically having your own, using your own page builder, e.g., ClickFunnels, system.io, whatever you want to call it, or even GrooveFunnels, right? Where you are actively paying for this service yourself. All right. And then what I also mean is by, your own autoresponder. And this is whether you're using Aweber, that's my preferred one. That's my preferred AR. And that means this allows you to, so you can start, where you can control the conversion rates, you can control the tracking, you can actively control how, you can optimize your pages and how you can, improve conversions over time as an affiliate, because ultimately this is what it's all about. It is literally being able to control, what you use to build the opt-in pages here, what you use to build your bridge pages, and obviously converting that traffic coming into the opt-in page and converting them into sales, okay? So what I do in our Breakout University program is that we, learn how to optimize opt-in pages for the, reducing the cost per lead period. And then we're going to we also talk about going into the bridge page and basically pre-selling a offer coming into the sales page here, all right? Because what we want to do, we don't want to lose them straight away. We want to pre-sell them, and whether or not that affiliate offer is for the subscribers or not, all right? And then we're going to go, and then if they are, we have a call to action. We offer bonuses here. We teach you how to build bonus pages and all that. And then we go over to the sales page, all right? And all actively, obviously managing your email list, follow-up broadcasts, etc., optimizing your emails, what emails work, what don't, and basically this offers you to allow yourself improvement over time. Now, if you rely on other people to write your emails and you rely on other people to build your pages and they're hosting the pages, right, and their pages, everything goes down, you're stuffed. And when you control the process, this allows you to fundamentally shift to promote offer to offer. So if an offer dies, you're not left hanging. You can actually quickly very much shift that affiliate offer and being able to move forward that way. So, this gives you just the ability, to really control the mechanisms in place. And while that is, it all sounds very good and everything, you really do need to learn how to do it. And, obviously, $7 products or $17 products, they give you a bit of an idea on how to be able to manage it, but ultimately you need someone in your corner as well. So, basically this is what we teach in Breakout University. We show you how to control your own process, and I teach you how to manage all these fundamental elements as well. And we always recommend you have 100% control over your list. So you stop giving away leads for free, and your leads are your leads alone. You're not sending them off to somewhere else where they're going to start retargeting and selling for you as well. Ultimately, that should be also coming down to you and how you want to, pre-sell and retarget your affiliates on offers as well. And we teach you how to do that. So you should really avoid giving away free leads. So especially if they have an opt-in page on the front of the sales page, and you click on the sales page, and then immediately when you go click on the button to go to checkout, if an opt-in pops up, I would recommend you run from that as well. All right, because you should be financially compensated for those affiliate sales alone, and that's it, right? So you shouldn't be giving away for free because you don't know whether or not they're going to buy from the checkout or not. So, it really does allow you to, have full control. And then if they don't buy, then you haven't given away that lead. They're still there, and you can always promote them another offer where eventually they're going to buy from you and no one else. So once I stopped actively, solely relying on other people's done for you built-in systems, and where they can, where you don't control the pages and you don't control the emails that are going out, etc., I started having a lot more success. I was able to build a 7-figure a year business purely from affiliate marketing. I learned how to scale up very quickly and how to generate commissions in a very, fun and effective and efficient way. So if you're interested and you want to learn more about my Breakout University on how we, This is just one key factor that we're teaching there as well. We are looking forward, to bringing people that ultimately want to learn to build their own business, control their own environment, remove themselves from built-in tools so they can control the narrative in their business. So if you're interested, essentially we're a results-driven educational mentorship community and program equipping you with the ultimate online blueprint. And we do have some done-for-you tools. So we have what I mean by done-for-you is that we have templates, and we have share funnels, and we have share funnels for 3 different systems. So you're not just stuck with one particular page builder or anything like that. You can choose from what's the best suited for you. We have a community, coaching, accountability, support necessary to achieve 5-figure months. All right. So our goal for you is to reach 25K per month or more in the next 6 to 12 months. So essentially how we're doing that is that, it's even for new and online existing marketers. I've even got 6-7-figure marketers in here learning my process, where we focus on the result-driven implementation and collaboration. No long boring content, no bullshit. We just get cracking and we talk. And we have the systems in place. We have the share funnels. We have emails you can populate up, and that we recommend. We teach you how to alternate those emails as well, and how you can make them your own. So you're not just starting from scratch. You've got something to work with straight away. And we also give you guys, I have my own offers as well in the BizOp Make Money Online niche, and I give all my students an 80% commissions on everything that they sell through me. All right. So if instead of if you make like a $300 upsell, you're going to make $220, right? And basically the rest of the profits is, I don't really get any of the profit. I use that to pay for autoresponders and stuff. All right. So, and we also get provision of fresh email swipes each month, like I said, and we also how to avoid, Gmail spam measures. We also teach you how to build, using the custom domain as well, improving your email reputations, making sure you deliver in the inbox as well, so people are actually opening your emails and clicking your links to your affiliate offers. This program is run by myself, and we have a team of success coaches as well. I always do all the calls. All right, you're not going to have someone that's going to be sitting on the wayside and hosting the calls for you. I do all the calls, and you'll be learning from me directly. And what we do first, guys, is that when you jump in, we have a 7-figure fast start implementation program. And what I mean by that is that you get to tap into my 7-figure process straight away. And we teach you over the course of 6 weeks, and you can do this at your own pace. It's not drip fed. You can come in and you can literally probably do this if you wanted to within a few days, and you can get things up and running pretty quickly. So we talk about our model, mindset, and training. We're talking about building your own profit machine and automations. And then we talk about paid and organic traffic sources, so you're not just relying on one thing at one time. Then we're talking about money management, scaling 25K per month, diving into advanced email marketing campaigns where there's true profitability. And then we talk about fine tuning. All right. Then after that 6 weeks, it's beyond the 6 weeks, it's then continually, consistently refining your machine. We have additional trainings as well that you can further improve your processes and really start enjoying, profitability throughout the course of your affiliate marketing. So this is what it's all about. We also have, we have locked in 11 a.m. Eastern time calls with Breakout University members. We all get on a call, and we, have fun, talk shop, and really enjoy, achieving outcomes. And, whatever your outcome is as well, what is it that you're willing to do in order to achieve the outcome that you ultimately want? Is it time freedom? Is it spending more time with family? Why did you get into this affiliate marketing game in the first place? So yeah, guys, so that's everything you get. And we have no crazy promises. We all explain that. There's a further video down below in the description of this where we talk about this as well. And guys, we only have an early action taker special right now. We are looking to increase the price to $3,000 per year once all 50 spots are filled. The goal for Breakout University is to be a profit center in your business and make way back more money than what you invest. So we achieve this through a pay from profits payment arrangement, which means if you get started today in Breakout University for 3 simple installments of $500, which is $500 today, locked down, then 2 subsequent payments, you'll be all set for the remainder of the 12-month program. Then, or you can simply save $503 today and pay in full $997, and you'll get 12 months locked in. That pricing will be locked in forever. It will not change for you. Even if I increase the price, whatnot, that is locked in for you forever. All right. So guys, if you are interested, go down below, click on the link below. There is a button below as well if you want to come have a chat with me. Just say, James, I watched your YouTube video. I'm very interested in Breakout University, and we'll have a chat from there. But guys, learn how to control your own affiliate process. Learn how to do it properly from the get-go. If this is something that you're really looking forward to and you want to achieve this and you want to do this, come in, check out the Breakout University program. The link is in the description below. And if you still got some questions, I'm more than happy to answer them for you. Just reach out via DM. There's a link on the page. Come chat to me. Only serious inquiries, please. This is not a free program. Like I said, there is a level of investment required. So guys, looking forward to it. Click on the link below, watch the video, and thanks very much for watching this video. Cheers. And guys, if you want to keep watching, we do have some additional trainings available that should be popping up right now. Cheers.